friends of the GOAT, welcome back. Today we're going to do some percentages, right? But I want you not even to worry a little bit, right? Not even just a little, right? Because the GOAT has a trick, right? The GOAT has a trick that's going to make percentages for the rest of your life so easy. Alright, so let's take a look, right? You got 20% of 60, right? Alright, couple things I need you to know, okay? Percentages, right? It's just a number over 100, right? So it's just 20 over 100. Alright, now watch this, right? The word of, right? The word of, okay? The word of means multiply, right? So the rest of your life, whenever you see the word of, it means multiply, right? So you're just going to put the multiplication sign right there, alright? And then you just have your 60, right? 60 is 60, right? So let's put it in, right? Just 60, right? And you can put that as 60 over 1, right? Because every whole number is over 1, alright? Now watch this. Watch this little math magic, right? Alright, so this 0 is going to cancel with this 0, alright? They're gone. Peace out, alright? Now this 0 is going to cancel out with this 0 over here, alright? So what you got left is 2 times 6, right? 2 times 6. Are you kidding me? Everyone knows 2 times 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. Boom. And you're done. That was it, alright? So let's take a look here. Alright, so what it comes down to is this is what we did, right? All we did was we slid it over here once, and we slid it over here once, right? So here you got 2 of is your times 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. That's it. Alright, now on this one, we have 30% of 80, alright? So let's just do it again, alright? We're going to move it over, right? So then boom, we have 3 of is times 8, alright? Because we moved that sucker over, okay? 3 times 8 is 24. Boom. How about that? How about that? Right? Piece of cake. Alright, now here we go. We got another one here. We got 25% of 50. Alright? So again, you're going to slide it over one time. Right? So boom. Here we go. We got 2.5 of his times. And then we're going to slide this sucker over here. So it's 5. Right? Now this one, listen, I'll give it to you. Right? You might not be able to do this in your head. Alright? So go ahead. Take a minute. Put it in your calculator. Go ahead. Go ahead. Alright, there you go. It's 12.5. Boom. So there you go. Rest of your life, you know the trick, right? The GOAT hooked you up. Alright? So I just need you to hit that like, hit that subscribe, so I can see you next time on the GOAT Teaches Math.